Hello guys, what is up? And today we will be doing some top class gaming. Right, well, you could call it gaming, but what I'm gonna do is, let me just get my Xbox up. Right, here we go. Let's get Xbox up. Here we go. Right, here we go. So we're on Xbox now. And today I'm gonna show you some of my Overwatch clips and FIFA clips. There, okay? Wait for it to download. Right, here we go. Wait for it to all load up. Right, sorry guys, I'm just waiting for it to all load up, like I just said. Also, some of my friends. Alright. I will be doing gaming soon when I have it all set up. I just need to make sure that everything else is good. Right, come on. Loading up, loading. I'm just gonna eat some more cookies. Mmm. Right, so here we are on my captures. First, I'm gonna do my Ronaldo one. Right, come on, let's go. Let's link up to this. Right, I will put this on full screen. I promise. Right. This was a start when I got FIFA 18, so. Come on. Finish. Boom. What a finish. I just was like, what a goal at the time. It was a lovely finish. This is what happens when you come onto the start of FIFA 18. I think you guys will already know that. There we go. Good goal by Ronaldo. So the next things is gonna be, I will show you my hands up clip. I'll show you my hands up clip on Overwatch. I'm sure a few of you will be playing. I'm sure a few of you will play Overwatch. Yeah. Come on. Show me that. Right, so literally it was me versus two people. I was getting demolished. Well, I wasn't getting demolished. We were dying. Look at that health. I was on so low health. I bet if she would have got another shot to me, if that Farah would have got another shot to me, I would have been dead. Look at this kill. Boom! I'm a Hanzo legend. Eating some more cookies again. Also, I saved us there. Now, I'm going to go on to my 3v1 Reaper kill. Only versus 3 other people. Wait, no, it wasn't a 3v1. I just killed them all. As you guys see, I picked up the win for us. I'm in the middle though with Reaper. Look at my highlight intro. I'm going to change my highlight intro soon. Definitely. We are boom. Killing the Zenny. Then coming over to the Widow. Just shooting her down. Alright. Next one. I'll show my screenshot. This was me and my friend's screenshot. Look at that. Oh, Yoda Young. The Yoda gang. By the way, guys, I'm sorry I forgot. Bottom right corner. Sorry there if you've seen something weird. Right, sorry about that. I didn't notice about... Oh god, all my cookies are gone. I didn't know all my cookies were gone. Okay. Let's get the chocolate chip. Chocolate chip. Got my words wrong then. Right. Next. I don't think I said that right. Right, come on. Another over clip. Come on. Make sure it load up. Sorry, not on full screen. Look at that. Play game. I just helped my teammates, that's all. It wasn't that big of a deal. I didn't do that well. Well, I did get a few kills though. Right. Yeah. XP went up a lot though. Yeah, my XP went up a lot. Right, now we'll get back to FIFAs. Right. Shall we go for my top one? Let's go for my top one. My latest FIFA goal. Yeah. I will put it back on full screen. Sorry if it's a bit glitchy, right? Yeah, I was playing against what was this? What was it? Oh, this was when I had like the shockingest team ever. Sorry, this was when I had the worst team. Sorry. But I will show you, like, this was my first ever decent FIFA goal. So yeah, I was on squad battles then. I thought it would be nice to share that with you. Yeah. I'll go for this one then. I'll go for this one. Sorry about the screen cam down there. Yeah, here, right where I am. This was manager career mode. Look. I don't know how Leroy Sané finished that. Just look. I did show you like the replay of it like a few times. Look at that. Boom. Joe Hart had no chance of saving that. I don't know how. That was his first goal for our club. I signed him, literally. Just then. Just signed him. First goal for the club. Right. So yeah. Coming down to the last few. I will record. Oh yes, my sniper in Overwatch. My sniper. This one needs to be on full screen. Sorry guys, this one needs to be on. Right, I'll rewind it. Come on, rewind it back. There we go. Right. There we go. Right, so I was doing just sniping with Widow. That was a bit terrible, but then it comes to this. Boom. Killed that Farah. Then there was a... And I went like that. Killed that Farah. Then there was a Doomy there. Nearly killed those. Yep. You need to get ready for bed. Okay. Right, so now my sister's here with me now. No, you yeah. Right. This was my last one, and then I'll have to end this video. Right, last one. Let's try and pick out a good one. I'm gonna pick out a... I'm just gonna pick out this one. I think we lost at this one. I think we lost. Right, sorry about that. Right, so I'm not telling you how to do it. Right, so that was that one. Right. Thank you for watching, you guys. Right.